Hi, I'm Tony and welcome to our latest ACA video. Today I'd like to show you how we would redesign the famous Villa Savoye project using BIM processes and software. In this video we'll take a look at how the front facades would be remodeled with specific attention to our windows and fixtures, two of Le Corbusier's principles of his 5 points of modern architecture. Let's take a look at the video that we prepared for you. This second order of columns can easily be generated with the Copy by Objects feature available in the software. By means of these smart objects that have the capability of recognizing themselves within the project, we can place the external facade freely without having to account for the building's structural features. Smart but also flexible objects that can be cut across horizontally with the opening entity or with the window object. Let's create one here with the same width of this reference wall. In the editor we can define the opening direction for each panel and place it into position with a simple click. And to finish, thanks to the real-time rendering environment, we can see the result of our work just as if we were able to take a quick tour of the inside or simply fly around the outside for a breathtaking bird's eye view. So we've just seen how a BIM software allows us to take care of our exterior facades for Villa Savoye. I hope you join me for our next video to discover the last of the 5 points of architecture as defined by Le Corbusier and how we can create a fascinating green roof area using Edificius BIM software technology. Thanks for your attention, and if you have any questions regarding this or other videos, please send us in your comments. See you next week.